Understanding tables, rows, and columns. In the previous video, we learned how to create our online store database using SQL. Now, before we create our first table, let us understand how data is organized in a relational database using tables. Suppose our online store has customers. For every customer, we want to store information such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, city, and sign up date. In a relational database, we organize this information inside a table. The table name is customers. Each horizontal entry in the table is called a row. A row represents one customer. For example, this row represents the customer Amit. Each vertical field in the table is called a column. A column stores one specific type of information. For example, the first underscore name column stores the first name of each customer. The email column stores the email address of each customer. And the city column stores the city of each customer. Now let us apply the same idea to another table. Our online store also needs to store products. For every product, we may want to store information such as product name, category, price, stock quantity, and whether the product is available. So we can organize this information in a products table. Here again, each row represents one product. For example, this row represents the laptop, and each column represents one type of information about the product. The product name column stores the product name. The price column stores the product price. The stock quantity column stores how many units are in stock. And is available column stores whether the product is available. So the same idea applies to different tables. A table stores related data. Each row represents one record. And each column represents one type of information about that record. For now, we are only understanding how the data will be organized. In the next video, we will create our first table using SQL.